Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through fixing Roblox error code 0 or authentication failed in 2024. If you're facing this issue, stick around for the solution. The first step is to open the Add or Remove Programs window by typing it in the search box. Look for Roblox Player and uninstall it. Make sure to uninstall all instances if there are multiple entries. Next, open the Run dialog by typing Run in the search box, then type %appdata% and hit Enter. Navigate to the Roblox folder and delete it. This ensures a complete removal of Roblox from your PC. After removing Roblox, open your web browser Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, go to roblox.com, log into your account, and play a game. This essentially reinstalls Roblox on your PC. If the issue persists, try rebooting your PC by clicking on Start, then Power, and selecting Restart. Additionally, ensure your Windows is up to date by searching for updates in the search box and updating your graphics card driver to the latest version. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Roblox error code 0 or authentication failed in 2024.